In this video, I'll be reviewing the Gyeon Q2M wheel cleaner. I'll be testing to see if I can clean the wheels on this Kia Stinger without touching them. That way, we'll be able to actually test the cleaning power of the product itself. As you can see here, there's about 2 weeks of brake dust accumulated from those Brembos. And also, in the spirit of Easter, I've hidden an Easter egg somewhere in the video, so comment below if you can find it. Now enjoy the video. Before we get started here's some information about this wheel cleaner. It is a pH neutral wheel cleaner. You use about 100 milliliters per car. It is safe on all wheel finishes, although polished aluminum I would still be careful on. It does remove iron very effectively, and it's available in 3 sizes, 500, 1000, and 4000 milliliters. Now let's get going here. We're going to start by rinsing with a pressure washer and a 25-degree green nozzle. Just as a sidebar note, goes without saying, but always work on a cool wheel and wear protective gloves or whatever else you feel is necessary. These chemicals that we're dealing with are pretty strong. All the products used in this video will be listed and linked below in the description for your convenience, so check those out after the video. You give the product a good shake. Then you're going to spray all over the wheel. This product is not made for the tires, it's just made for the wheels only, so you don't want to waste any of it on the tires. I picked this one up for $20 for the little 500 milliliter bottle from Karcher. If anybody wants to check it out, you can go onto Karcher's website and use my discount code CARDETAILING5 and you can save an additional 5%. I'm just using a bit of Meguiar's Super Degreaser 10-to-1 on the tires. Let that do its thing. And now, basically, while I scrub the tires, I'm just letting the product dwell and do its job. And I am working out of direct sunlight because this product, it does recommend to leave it for 1 to 2 minutes, I believe. So in order to achieve that kind of dwell time, you definitely want to work in a cool environment. If you look at the rotor there, you'll see how fast this product actually starts to react and turn purple. It's actually quite impressive. It's the best I've seen when it comes to an iron removing product. I've used a few and this is definitely the fastest reacting. I've used this product numerous times, and as well as other iron removing products, and the one thing I will say is this has one of the strongest smells, that sort of sulfur, rotten egg, perm solution smell, out of any of them. So keep that in mind if you decide to purchase this product. I'll let the product dwell on the surface for just over 2 minutes now to do its thing, and I didn't let it dry on the surface because you never want to let a chemical dry. But as you can see here, after that kind of dwell time, it looks like the wheel's bleeding. It's definitely done a very good job reacting with all that brake dust. So now let's rinse it off and see what kind of results we got. I'm using my Karcher K1900 pressure washer with a McKillians Wand and gun, paired with a 25-degree nozzle, so nothing insane here. But take a look at the bottom of the screen, you can see all of that brake dust coming out of there, and it's purple because of the chemical in the product. It's quite impressive. Take a look at that wheel, guys. I'd say that's about 95% clean without ever touching the wheel. And that was one of the reasons I made this video almost in one take, because I wanted to actually show that there's no scrubbing necessary. You just let it do its thing, move on to another wheel while it's dwelling. And as you can see there, it took that brake dust and basically dissolved it. And yes, I get that this isn't baked on brake dust, but baked on brake dust is extremely difficult to remove. And I don't think there's any chemical in the world that I know of that's safe on your wheels that will actually remove baked on brake dust without touching it. But take a look at that. That part is definitely completely clean. And now I'm going to show you how we could seal the wheel without touching it using Gyeon Wet Coat. And just to quickly show you again, the water's not really beating on that wheel. Give it about 3 sprays of the Gyeon Wet Coat on the wet surface. And then simply hit it with a pressure washer. And you're going to see here how hydrophobic the wheel becomes. So basically, these products make it possible, if your wheels are already relatively maintained, to clean and seal your wheel without touching it. It makes it really easy because now you can use a leaf blower or whatever else you have to dry the wheel without touching it as well. Just makes the whole process so simple for maintenance cleans. As you can see here with the leaf blower, just makes quick work of drying the wheel. Now here's a quick side-by-side of before and after. And I gotta say, that is probably the least amount of effort I put into cleaning wheels to get the wheel that clean and protected. Highly, highly recommend these products. As you saw in the video, this product's abilities to dissolve iron and react with it and whatever that process is called is, in my opinion, second to none. It is extremely good at what it does. And in terms of just how Gyeon presents themselves, I mean, look at the bottle. It's clearly they care about what their products look like. A lot of effort goes into the bottle design. So that leads me to one of the downsides of this product is the price point. But you got to remember that Gyeon is a premium brand selling premium products, right? You're not going to find this stuff at Walmart for like $6 a bottle, right? This is a premium product. It works really well. And for something like pH neutral cleaner, it's one of the best. Like, you know, you have your like something like Meguiar's Wheel Brightener, which is super acidic. Or on the other end of the scale, you'll have something like the Extreme Solutions, which is on the alkaline side. This is pH neutral, and as you saw, I didn't touch the wheel at all, and that was about 2.5 weeks of accumulation from those Brembo brakes. It did very good. So in my opinion, this product gets a big thumbs up. And then as you saw at the end of the video, I combined it with some wet coat here, and we did a awesome job with the quick clean and protect. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, comment down below, and then watch this video next for the Gyeon Wet Coat. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.